On February 20th, IT House announced that Lenovo had unveiled a new line of Xiaoxin notebooks, several of which came standard with a 1TB SSD. This marked a big step forward in the spread of 1TB large-capacity SSDs. Only one day prior to this announcement, Lenovo unveiled the most recent update for the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. Excellent features on the Lenovo Xiaoxin 16 Pro include the Core i5-13500H standard processor from Intel's 13th generation. The laptop therefore runs 18% better than it did before. The Lenovo Xiaoxin 16 Ultrabook 2023 outperforms the Apple M2 Max in the Cinebench R23 multi-core test. According to the most recent Lenovo updates, the Legion 2023 series will also include 1TB SSD in gaming notebooks, making this capacity more widely available. The common version of the Legion 2023 series comes with a 1TB SSD and an extra M2 expansion port. Most notably, these Ultrabooks come with the most recent NVIDIA Studio RTX 4050 graphics card. Users may therefore easily use more than 110 creative programs, such as Photoshop and After Effects. The laptop also features a 16-inch display with a 2.5K screen resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Y9000P from the Lenovo Legion 2023 series, which will soon be available, has Intel Core 13th generation processors and 140 watts fast charging. According to reports, the gadget will also sport a new huge Y logo. The latest generation of Y9000P professional gaming notebooks may produce up to 250 watts of performance, according to official data. The backlit keyboard, dedicated numpad, aluminum unit body appearance, and 1.33mm key travel are all features of the 16 Pro Ultrabook. The fact that this laptop offers a variety of connectivity options, including one Thunderbolt 4 connector, one USB Type-C port, two USB Type-A ports, a 3.5mm headphone line, a card reader, and one HDMI 2.0 port, is the strongest feature. As previously reported by IT House, this range of notebooks is anticipated to be comparable to the Legion Pro 7i series of notebooks. They come with the newest RTX 40 series graphics and 13th generation Core CPUs, with an optional i9 and RTX 4090 flagship combo. A 16-inch 2560x1600 IPS panel with a refresh rate of 240Hz serves as the notebook's display. The Lenovo Xiaoxin 16 Pro is a complete powerhouse with a wide range of feature support, to put it briefly. Above all, it features a stunning and sophisticated appearance. Moreover, customers have a variety of connectivity options. If you're looking for a portable and lightweight laptop, it's something to think about. At this pricing, the Xiaoxin 16 Ultrabook 2023 is a fantastic purchase. In conclusion, Lenovo has unveiled a new line of Xiaoxin notebooks with 1TB SSDs as standard, and also revealed the Legion 2023 series with comparable features. The Y9000P from the Lenovo Legion 2023 series, which will soon be available, has Intel Core 13th generation processors and 140 watts fast charging. With the most recent 13th generation Core CPUs and RTX 40 series graphics, this range of notebooks is anticipated to go head-to-head with the company's own Legion Pro 7i series notebooks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.